Sometimes on your Android phone, when you lock it, you hear a sound. If you don't want that sound, you can turn it off. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the screen lock sound on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you can see the Search Settings option at the top. Here, search for lock screen or locking sound. When you search for either of these, you'll see screen locking sound or something similar. Anyway, tap on that option. When you tap it, you'll reach this page, and depending on the brand, the settings might look a little different. I'm using a Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi phones, the options look like this. But if you're using a different brand, just search for the setting and you'll find it. And in Poco phones, it's under Additional Settings. Anyway, here you can see screen locking sound. If it's turned on, just turn it off. After that, you won't hear the screen lock sound when you lock your phone. So, this is how you can easily disable the screen lock sound on an Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.